In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start using Qwen Chat AI app. If you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, let's get into it. So my name is Isaac and this is a minute with AI. To start using your Qwen AI Chat app, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and download this app on your smartphone. And once you have downloaded it, go ahead and tap on it to open. At this point, you will need to go ahead and create a free account. And the good thing, you can even start chatting without even having an account. To log in, you can just go ahead and click on login and you can proceed with your Google account to log in. Now, one advantage of logging in is that you'll be able to find or access your chats anytime you so wish or when you log into a different device. Once you're done now, you will get to this page where you can easily interact with Qwen. Now you can see the current version is Qwen 3. And there are quite a number of versions that you can see are available. So this is best for basic usage with model language. And we have other versions such as this. This is for coding and this is for expert or expert mode. So you can just begin with this first one and you can ask it any question. So to start a chat, head down here and then tap here where we have a sort of a question. And now here you can ask any question. For instance, you can ask any question and then just go ahead and to get the response, tap on this arrow and then Qwen will go ahead and generate responses according to the questions that you have asked. And look at that, we have here a detailed response on who Jesus is according to this chatbot. And as you can see, it is talking of Jesus being the Messiah or Christ, meaning anointed one. To copy this, if you want to share it maybe with your friend or you want to share it on WhatsApp or on a document, you can just come to the end here and click on copy here. And once you have clicked on copy, it will copy it. Alternatively, you can go ahead and long press anywhere on your chat and then click on copy to copy your text, and look at that, your text has been copied. You can now go ahead and share it with your friends. So that's how you can start chats or ask Qwen AI app any question using your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.